So in number 7, we have big A is equal to 2a small a squared plus 4 small a h. Now there is a difference between the large A and the small a. So we cannot combine them even if they match, because big A, capital A is capital A, and small a is small a, and they're not the same. So, and we're trying to get the h by itself. So what is my first step? What is the first thing I would need to do in order to get the h by itself? Are there any tributes who are willing to volunteer? Mia?
Yeah. So I would subtract 2a squared.
Okay. And so we get big A minus 2 small a squared is equal to 4ah. Okay. Do I have a new volunteers tribute who can help us with what we need to do next? Wyatt.
So I would divide by 4, so I do 4ah divided by 4.
And while we're at it, can we just divide by a as well?
Yeah.
Okay, let's divide by a as well. All right, that's a great first move. And so we get big A minus 2 small a squared over 4a. All right, and have we gotten the h all by itself?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, cool. I see that I have a variable. The variable is a in the denominator. What can a not equal that would make the denominator 0?
0.
0. And that's it. That is all you need to do for that one. So I would like you to take, let's take 2 to 3 minutes. I want you to do 6 and 8. Go ahead and do 6 and 8. Yeah.
How come you don't leave the A and H together?
Because the problem, this little blue H, they want you to isolate the H.
So you could.
Wait, which questions do we do?
6 and 8, because those are actually due for your algebra sheet.
But when you do X, Y, you don't ever separate. But that's just because they say they want the H on.
Mm-hmm. So here's the situation, or the scenario, and it's a little bit easier to explain it if I start with something a little smaller. So if we have force equals mass times acceleration, it's possible we know the mass and we know the force, but we didn't know what its rate of acceleration was. So in that situation, instead of having force by itself, we need to figure out what the acceleration is. And so we're using train tracks to rewrite the equation so that we can solve for the thing that we don't know. So that's all this is. We're just rewriting the equation into an equivalent form so that we can solve for that unknown.